Hi friends! Welcome to Little Tech Explorers. Today, we're going to dive into a super cool topic, programming languages.
Have you ever wondered how your games, apps, and websites work?
Yes, I know! It's all thanks to something called code. Code is the instructions we give to computers so they know what to do. And to give those instructions, we use programming languages. Can you tell me more about programming languages?
Of course! Programming languages are like special languages we use to talk to computers. Just like we speak English, Urdu, or French. Computers understand Python, R, Java, and more.
That's very interesting. I want to learn more about them.
Let's meet two amazing languages today. Python and R. Python is the friendly and popular one. R is the one who's super smart with numbers and data. Let's learn them in detail.
I am really excited.
Python is easy to read, easy to write, and loved by beginners and experts. It helps people build cool things like games, websites, robots, and even AI. Let's see an example. If you type, print, "Hello World," that tiny bit of code tells the computer to say, "Hello World."
Wow, that's super easy.
Do you want to try it with me?
Yes, I want to try.
Type in your computer print, then add round bracket and add opening quotes, then type "Hello World." Now add closing quotes and close with round bracket.
Wow, I have written my first Python code.
Great job! With just a few lines of Python, you can make your own stories, calculators, and even art. Now, let's learn R. R is fantastic at working with numbers, charts, and big data. Scientists and researchers use R to study weather, animals, or even space. Let me show you something simple. If you type this code, just like Python, R can also say hello. Perfect. R is also great at drawing graphs and finding patterns in numbers. R helps people solve real-world problems.
Wow, it's really exciting. What can we make with Python and R?
Great question. We can make cool things using Python and R. With Python, we can make games, websites, robots, chatbots. With R, we can make data charts, weather predictions, science reports.
Wow, that's amazing. Which language is better to use? Python or R?
Well, both are powerful in their own ways. Let's learn some fun facts about both languages. Python was named after a funny TV show called Monty Python. R was created by two scientists from New Zealand. Python is great for building things. R is awesome for learning from data.
Now I want to learn to code in both languages.
Sure, let's make a mini calculator in Python. What do you think this code does?
It adds 5 and 3 and shows 8.
Right. Good job. And now a simple R graph.
Whoa, that draws a graph showing how numbers grow.
Now, let's compare Python and R. Which one is easy to use?
Well, both Python and R are easy to use.
That's right. Which is good for games?
Python is good for games.
And what about R?
Not really.
Which one is good with data?
Python is good with data, but R is super good.
Which language scientists love?
Absolutely, they love R.
Good job, little coders! You did an amazing job in learning Python and R.
If you had fun learning with us today, don't forget to follow us on YouTube and Instagram at Lubega Academy.